Hello my friends, Kate here. Today I will show you how to crochet an easy shell stitch. It is a 2-row repeat which creates reversible lacy structure, and it can look very different depending on the yarn you choose. On my website you will find a written pattern for this stitch, a diagram, as well as photo tutorial. The links are in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell button to never miss a video. For this tutorial I used DMC cotton yarn with a 3mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn with a corresponding hook. I will use many colors for this stitch, but you can easily stay with one. To start, you need to make a slip knot and a foundation chain of multiple of 4 plus 2. I chose 16 for the repeat, so I will have 18 chain stitches overall. Here I've got my 16 stitches, and now I'm chaining 2 additional stitches. Now insert your hook in the first stitch and work a single crochet. Now chain 5. Now skip 3 stitches and work 1 single crochet in the fourth stitch. This is your repeat for this row. Chain 5, skip 3, 1 single crochet. Repeat it until the end of the row. I will meet you there. Finish the row with 1 single crochet worked in the last stitch of the foundation chain. Now chain 3 and turn the work. This turning chain will count as 1 double crochet. Yarn over and make 2 double crochets in the first stitch, which is your single crochet from the previous row. Now aim for the big chain space. We need to attach this half shell to the chain. Make 1 single crochet there. Now yarn over and aim for the stitch between the arches. Start with making 2 double crochets there. Now make 1 chain stitch and work another 2 double crochets still in the same stitch. Your first shell is almost ready. Now attach it to the chain space by making one single crochet, just like before. This is your repeat for this row. 2 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 double crochets, all in one stitch between the arches. Continue like so, and I will meet you at the end of the row. To end this row, we need to make a half shell, just like the one we started with. It's easy. Yarn over and work 3 double crochet stitches in the last stitch of the row. To change colors, we need to stop before finishing the last stitch of the row. That is when you have 2 loops on your hook. Take another color of yarn and keep it with your fingers behind your work. Now yarn over and use it as a working yarn to finish the stitch. Now repeat row 1, so make 1 chain stitch, turn the work, and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then make 5 chain stitches, but instead of counting where to attach it, go straight for the little chain space in the middle of the shell. That's where you make single crochets. When you reach the end of the row, work your last single crochet in the top of the turning chain, just like I show you here. That's basically it. Your next row is exactly the same as row 2. Repeat rows 2 and 3 until you reach the desired size. One more quick thing about the colors in this pattern. As you can see, row 2 and 3 look like they are combined with each other, but it happens only when you use the same color for both of them. If you decide to mix it up a little, you can see that it changes the feel of the pattern dramatically. It's much more playful and fun. So I encourage you to experiment with it and try out a couple of color combinations. As I mentioned before, on my website you will find a written pattern, a diagram and a photo tutorial for this stitch. All the links are in the description box below. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or you would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!